The Chloe Perfume is such an iconic fragrance. With notes of peony, rose, and cedarwood, the scent transports you to the most beautiful flower garden. The romantic and classically feminine scent exudes the same elegance with the bottle design. It has an old-world vintage charm that I love, and of course I adore the addition of the feminine bow. When it comes to this specific fragrance, there is one thing that surprises most people, and that is how quickly the metal tarnishes. Sometimes fragrance bottles need a little bit of extra care, and that is definitely the case for this perfume. Some, like myself, don't mind the tarnished look. I think it gives it character and makes it look a bit more antique. But I also do love the lustrous shine that comes with a brand new bottle. If you own this fragrance, you're probably wondering, how do I clean it? How do I restore its original shine? Let me tell you, it's much easier than you think. If you don't have any polish on hand, you can do this simple trick with some household items that you probably already have. To start, you're going to need an optional cloth, your perfume, a small bowl of water, Q-tips, optional tape, an old toothbrush, toothpaste, a microfiber cloth, and a polishing cloth. Start by taking off the cap and bow. Where the metal ends, wrap a piece of tape around the bottle. This is an optional step, but it will make the cleanup much easier. Wet your Q-tip and apply a bit of water to the metal. Then put a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on your Q-tip and gently spread on the metal until it's covered. Apply gentle pressure to the Q-tip as you start cleaning the metal and switch it out when the ends become dirty. Add a bit of water and additional toothpaste as needed and repeat. If the tarnish is particularly bad, like mine, you can also use an old soft bristle toothbrush. When using the toothbrush, make sure you are gently scrubbing because you don't want to scratch the metal. When you're finished, take off the tape and start removing the toothpaste gently with a damp microfiber cloth, followed by a dry one. I like to dampen one side and leave the rest dry. Even with the removal, your bottle might be sticky from the toothpaste residue, so I highly recommend doing one more cleanse with soap and water and drying it with the cloth. Make sure that you remove all the toothpaste. Once you're finished, shine it with a polishing cloth. This is the same one that I use for my glasses. And once you're done, you can put the bow and cap back on. Now your bottle should look good as new. Just a note that the metal does tarnish with time, so you may have to do this again in the future. But now you know that restoring the shine is such an easy fix. Make sure that you save this video for future reference. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please make sure to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you want even more feminine content, Don't forget to visit my blog and Instagram, lizzieinlace.com and at lizzieinlace. I'll see you next time. Bye!